Okay, now question 20. So we have been given matrix key with Q, which is P A P transpose, where P and A matrices are given, and we have to find the value of P transpose Q to the power 12 P. Okay, so Q to the power 12. So first of all, let's look at what happens when I do Q square. Okay, so Q is P A T transpose. So question 20. So Q is equals to P A P transpose. So this implies Q square will be P A P transpose into P A P transpose. So that's P A P transpose P A into P transpose. Okay, so in the middle I have this P transpose into P. So if I can show that this P transpose into P, this is nothing but identity matrix, then I can collapse the entire matrix multiplication. So let's look at what the value of P is. P is this thing. So the matrix P is equals to root 3 by 2 half minus half and root 3 by 2. So this implies that P transpose would be just root 3 by 2 minus half and root 3 by 2. Okay, so the rows become columns, so that's what happens. So now let's find out what happens to P times P transpose. So P into P transpose will be root 3 by 2 half minus half root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 minus half root 3 by 2. So you can do the multiplication and check that this value comes out to be 1001. So that's your identity matrix. So this implies that from 1, then we can show that Q square is nothing but P times A square P transpose. Okay, so this comes from 1. Okay, so now that we have this relationship, you can just write down that since Q square is equals to P A square P transpose, this implies Q to power 12 would be P A to power 12 P transpose. Okay, so so that's your Q to the power 12. Now what we have been asked is P transpose Q12P. So this implies P transpose into Q to the power 12 into P would be just A to the power 12, and remember that the matrix A is 1 0 1 0. So we have to find A to the power 12. Okay, so when you do your simple algebra of A square, you will find that this thing is also 1. You will find that A square would be 1 1 2 0 1. Okay, so that would be your value of A square, and similarly A cube would be 1 3 0 1, and then you can just through induction you can just find out that you can just imply that A to the power 12 would be 1 12 0 1. So that's your final answer. A12 is equals to 1 0 12 1. So that's your answer D.